So hey everyone, and what's up, and welcome back to my new video. So basically you all see that in this video I'm going to draw a realistic sketch. So first I'm doing a light shading grade layer on the glasses which shows some reflection of the buildings. It's looking awesome, and step by step I am increasing the effect by doing the medium layer and dark layer, as you all see in. And also for blend I using the blending makeup brush and blending stumps, as you see. And for highlighted part I'm using the mechanical eraser and tombow eraser for erasing for highlight, as you see over here, and white pencil for more touch up.
Body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
And now for the nose part, I'm using the grade 4B and the 8B layer for dark shading for the depth, and as you see, and blend with the makeup brush. And now for the beard look guys, I'm using the 6B grade pencil because 6B is very smooth and is medium layer, and I'm doing the strokes, opposite strokes, curved strokes, as you see over here, and blend it.
Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
I'm using the charcoal powder for the dark background, as you will see, and blend with the makeup brush. And at the last I'm also using the tissue paper for smooth blending guys. तो गाइस यहाँ पे हम लोग का बैकग्राउंड भी रेडी हो चुका है. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिक इरेजर एंड टम्बो इरेजर फॉर द डिटेलिंग वर्क, as you see over here, and doing the highlight effective lines part, as you see, on the face and for the beard also guys. So finally the work is done, as you all see here, and I hope so you all like it guys, and please share it and like this video and comment down how it is, and wait for my new video. Till take care and bye.